In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sprout Social Listening. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding and can implement social listening effectively. To begin, let's start with opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or any other browser you feel comfortable with. The choice of browser is yours, but the key is making sure it's up to date to ensure the best performance. Next, you'll want to head to your favorite search engine. Type in Sprout Social into the search bar and hit Enter. The official Sprout Social website should appear among the top search results. Click on it to proceed. Once you're on the Sprout Social homepage, you'll notice an option to either sign in or sign up. If you're already a user, click on Sign In and enter your credentials. If you're new to Sprout Social, you'll need to create an account by selecting Sign Up, which will involve filling in some basic details and confirming your email. Now that you're logged in, it's time to explore the main dashboard. Direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. You're looking for the Listening tab, typically located as the fifth or sixth option down. This tab is where all the magic of social listening happens. Upon clicking the Listening tab, you'll have the option to create a new social listening topic, which is where you'll define the conversations and keywords you want to monitor. Look for the button that says Create Topic or New Topic and click it to get started. This will open a new window prompting you to set up your listening parameters. Here, you'll need to get a little creative. Start by naming your topic. Be as specific as possible so it's easy for you to identify later. After naming your topic, add a brief description that outlines the focus of this listening project. The next steps involve choosing where you want your data to be pulled from. Select the sources that are most relevant to your needs, whether it's Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or another platform. Once your sources are selected, it's time to craft your query. Your query will consist of keywords and phrases that are relevant to the conversations you want to track. You can also refine your query by using groupings and exclusions to ensure you capture relevant information and filter out the noise. Remember, setting alerts can be a lifesaver. These alerts will notify you when new conversations matching your criteria appear, allowing you to stay ahead of trends and discussions. Before finalizing your topic, make sure to preview your setup. This allows you to check if everything appears as expected. Once satisfied, save your topic to complete the setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively harness the power of Sprout Social Listening to boost your social media insights. Happy listening!